So we're back. This is the clutch port number for the 1.8 turbo engine from 1998 until 2000 something. Looking good. We have a new cylinder here, pressure cylinder. So it's just with little taps. Just it clicks in, plug. You just press it in and just pull it to get it out. So seems like we have yeah, worn out. Yeah, looking good. Same part. Then we have a little fork here. We could pull it off like this. Just press in the little spring. Looking good. Put some new grease on, not too much of course. And then we have a little, oh, the port number is here. Yep. Nice. And we'll order a new one and also a cylinder. Now we're gonna take off the clutch, compare it, and check for the seal. So here we have it. Just gonna put the camera a little bit higher. Up. Yep, that will do. Just take off the bolts. Hex key 6, Himbus 6. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this one on. I took 3 out, so still this one. Yep. No new bolts, so we have to reuse them. Up. Now one bolt holding it in. We're gonna hold it like this. So it doesn't fall on our face. There are alignment marks here and there and there, so you can't put in wrong or put in the wrong clutch. Now I'm gonna remove myself a bit, because most of the time, yeah, always dirt falls on your face. Make sure every bolt is gone, removed. Smack it or hit it with something. Wrench. Maybe I forgot one bolt. Nope. It's just really stuck in there. Got them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6. So let's find a little lever. It has been for over 20 years, so yeah, it's normal. It's a little bit stuck. And it's coming out. Yep. Be careful, don't let it fall on your face. Yep. And it's coming. And it's coming. And I'm gonna remove myself again. And it's coming. And it's still coming. It never stops coming. And there it is. And it's worn down. Yeah, good call. Good call. Yep. And this is the flywheel. A little bit of spots. Look, it went a little bit blue because of the friction. Sometimes being too sloppy, and then you get blue spots. So we could That's it. Yep. Wow. It's perfect. Just gonna clean it off. New one is pretty expensive, so we'll keep this one, and we'll be just about fine. Clean it off with some scotch, and degrease everything, and let's put on new parts. Over here we have a little bit of grease, but no oil, nothing. It looks clean. Everything is dry, so we have some spillage from the oil filter, but everything here is clean, nothing inside. So I'm gonna leave the seal. I'm not gonna replace it because it's hard to find right now, and it will be fine. So put in a new one, torque it down, and we'll do that in the next video, the last part. So catch you then.